Hey guys, welcome to the next video. And in this video I will show you a quick trick about how you can create a dictionary from a data frame. So in my previous video I've shown you how you can create a data frame from a dictionary. Now what we are doing is a reverse engineering. We are creating a dictionary with the help of a data frame. So this is a data frame which I have, prod sales TF, and what I will do is I will now create prod sales dictionary. And I will take prod underscore sales underscore df dot, and I will use the method which is to underscore dict over here. So this will help me creating a dictionary with the help of a data frame, and as you can see it's very straightforward. It's just that you need to know that such method exists, otherwise you do looping and other things to really convert a data frame into a dictionary. So if I want, I can simply say prod sales dictionary, and here I have my dictionary, the key value pair which I need in a dictionary for the data processing. Okay, quiz time. Dictionary from data frame. Use the code below to create a data frame which is df, and then convert the df into a dictionary. You need to use the concept which I have shown you in this video. So if you find any difficulty in creating that, look the video again. And even after that, if you still have any question or problem, then let me know in the comments and I will respond to you.